There's no place like the outdoors. Fresh air, open space, blue skies, nature, and water. Nature's Backpacks awareness programs give kids the chance to explore wild spaces and to discover nature. Every day is a new adventure, where we launch on a journey that sparks their innate curiosity to learn, to build, and to develop useful outdoor skills through daily adventures such as tracking, survival skills, journaling, playing games, bushcraft, mindfulness, and expressive arts. At Nature's Backpack, they build lifelong friendships by establishing new relationships, creating everlasting memories connecting to nature, all while building a sense of self and confidence every step of the way. Visit us at naturesbackpack.ca to learn how you can explore, discover, and connect with nature.